Hello, Karen, you have to listen to me. Dear, I'm in TV Patrol.
Hindi mo kaya yun.
In the middle of the news. No, just talk. Okay, for a while. Okay, balita na. Okay. Oh, hello, Small, how are you? Okay.
Hindi ganon. Commercial break or entrevistas.
Imagine. So, the first time I met her, I said, oh my gosh, I will click with this person because, she talks like 99 words per minute. It's 1 word per minute. Oh my God, I'm like, non-stop. And then, when one time we were like arguing on something and Karen will say, you're the one. No one tires me but you. We're like four people talking. She's four and halfway pala. Okay. No.